Hi, I'm Brian. This is an SAT math question involving trig. So we're told that there's this triangle ABC where the measure of angle B equals 90. That should stick out to you a little bit. I'm going to draw that right now. And this is kind of an arbitrary right triangle, but I'm going to call that one B, I'm going to call that A, and I'm going to call that C. And notice it might not work out, it might not be to scale. But we're told that BC is 16, AC is 20, which is now we can see is the hypotenuse. And then we're told that triangle LMN is similar to triangle ABC, where L, M, and N correspond to A, B, and C. Um, we're also told that each side of LMN is twice as long as the corresponding side of ABC. So I don't really necessarily care about that when it comes to trig ratios. I'm going to draw it so that you can see it, but it would be something like this, where L, M, and N match up with A, B, and C. Notice here, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Um, 4 times 4 to get that, 5 times 4 to get that. So there's my 5, there's my 4. That means this one has to be 3 times 4, which is 12. Or you could use Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and solve it for ab. Either way, you're going to get the 12 there. So we're asked what the value of the cosine of L is. So cosine of angle L. Remember the cosine of an angle, to find it, you take the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. We have this little mnemonic device, SOHCAHTOA. The CAH, C-A-H, is cosine adjacent over hypotenuse. So in this case, we're trying to figure out what this, that's our adjacent one divided by the hypotenuse is. Since this triangle is similar to the smaller one, ABC, we know that their sides are proportional. They have the same ratio. So if we just focus on triangle ABC and forget this, the cosine of angle L is going to be the same as the cosine of angle A. And to find the cosine of angle A, you would take 12, which is the adjacent side, over 20, and divide both by 4. That reduces down to 3/5, or if you prefer decimals, you could put it in as 0.6. Either one of those is good. The thing to note here again is that the size of the sides doesn't matter. Once it's similar, the ratios and the trig ratios will also match up.